The heart. The heart is the muscle at the center of the body's circulation system. It pumps blood around the body as the heart beats. The heartbeat is the source and sound that indicates that one is still alive. The heart and its beat denotes life. The heart is also a symbol of love. It is implied that our heart is where we feel love as well as hurt and pain. We hear sayings like, I love you with all my heart. You've captured my heart. I gave you my heart. I chose this image and sound to express what the sound of the genuine sounds like to me. It sounds like a heartbeat that indicates life, which also indicates to me that if one is still alive, if one's heart is still beating, it is for a reason. There is purpose. I chose the image of a heart because love is universal. I believe we were all created by the divine with the desire to love and to be loved. This sound, this image, is the sound of the genuine. It is love that is the cure for pain. It is love that binds humanity together. This is the sound of the genuine.